was doing it when 2 was broken.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, get it! Takes off walking down the street.
This has got a big easterly component to it. The question is, it's not coming down.
Oh.
Huh? Yeah, it's downwind.
South.
Oh, look at this back here. What is that? Is that another tractor?
Yeah, it's running down the road.
Yeah.
I was just talking to Brian down in the Springs. He said, like, their primary news right now is lightning.
Down there where they're at. That's
Or not
probably that
lightning.
one right there.
That he said he's got fires. He's got a bunch of lightning started fires right now.
Yeah, that would be hail over there. I got a hail line there.
Oh, Jesus. Look at that.
Okay. Okay, yeah. You got your lights on? Okay. All right. Well, we'll be here for a little bit longer, and then and so you should be able to catch up with us probably.
This guy's back there.
Rotating. I don't know if that's rotating though. There's something coming down there.
Yeah, you're seeing that little lowering spinning a little like that?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, every time I look at it, it stops. It sucks away. So it's trying
That's
to spin.
trying to spin up right there.
Right over this way. Curling over.
This got some good horizontal roll right here.
Got another one on the back side of it too.
Yeah, right there.
There, the horizontal roll right here.
Is that you in front of us, Tony?
Yeah, that's probably me. Yeah, looks about right. I'm showing right on top of your last location there.
Yeah, it's still these guys. Different guys.
Yeah, these are nickels. Like everybody is here.
Oh, you see that man down there?
It's dangerous for going that way.
Kind of a shelf over there. You see the shelf off to the side there?